white room. There's a white room and a black room and a black and white room. So I've been working with the black and white stripes for a long time, and it's just very graphic, very beautiful, and it shows the figure in different configurations, actually.
I noticed, and you're the model on all the pieces, correct?
Yeah, I'm primarily a performance artist, so my body is my instrument. Yeah.
Is that part of the exhibition that people can come and see it in there?
Yes, they can.
Oh my goodness, see? Wow.
As long as you're less than 600 pounds.
You will be able to, oh my goodness. See, that's
guarantee, swing at your own risk.
Okay. Yeah, this is, if you have any kids, you want to bring them over to experience this amazing exhibit at the MOAH-CEDAR in Lancaster, you will be glad you did. It's amazing, really, really good.
It's a lot of fun.
Good transformation.
And then come through here.
I'm going to go through these curtains. Thank you.
You see, I want it to be really an assault on your senses, actually.
And once again, who's the photographer?
Eric Schwabel.
Great, okay.
Fabulous photographer that I work with.
And you, once again, you're the model on all the pieces, so that's fabulous.
So this is all here in Lancaster, the poppy fields, and the ones with the rocks are out by Joshua Tree.
Excellent.
Oh yeah.
So we're in the black room. It's very hard to see, but once you find a piece, it brings you in. So I hope to see you guys here in the MOAH-CEDAR until November 25th. That's when the exhibit will end.
Experience.
Oh wow. Yeah, this piece is like, that is. Yeah. Wow.